Good morning, guys. First day of spring. Just a nice 38 degrees spring day. Yeah, here in Southern Illinois, you never know what kind of weather you're going to be getting, especially through March and April. It's a gamble. Anyways, first day of spring here and getting ready to go into work. I don't know what I'm working on first thing. I've had a string of engine swaps here this year already. A couple 7.3 gassers, Ford gassers, and then I just did a 6.7, and then also 6.7 Power Stroke, and then also a Brinks armored truck had a 6-liter. It's a Freightliner, but it's outfitted with a GM 6-liter V8. Did one of those, so. Had quite a few bigger jobs this year already, which is awesome. I like doing that stuff. Yesterday, I had a half day. I had to take a half day, so I did some diag. Nothing too crazy. So there's a couple ideas I got of what I might be getting into first thing, but I got a couple minutes here, so I'm just sipping my coffee, getting ready for the day, and I thought I'd show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing today. I'm not going to be doing a lot of filming in the shop, just little tidbits here. I don't really want to be filming on the clock, but I'll walk you through a little bit here, so let's get started. Oh, yeah, diesel time, baby. Diesel time! Oh, oh.
Well, this is a bit anticlimactic, but first job on the docket is a Ford Ranger. A whole bunch of stuff needed to check out. The washer tank was leaking, found the hose coming off the pump was swelled up and came off. Just had to cut it back a little bit and reinstalled it. Good to go there, no leaks. AC was blowing nothing out the vents, and the clutch was not engaging, so found it was low on Freon. Then I checked the evaporator, found it was completely clogged up, so that's going to need to be addressed. So I had a whole bunch of other stuff wrong on that thing. And then I had a F550 full service and check batteries. As you can see, the batteries were junk. There's all my stuff for the service. Put 2 batteries in it. My favorite fuel filter to change of all time. Not really. I hate these things. And if you zip them off with your cordless, that's fine. But when you install these things, use a 1/4-inch ratchet or torque to spec, because if you zip these things off and on enough times, it's going to strip those threaded inserts out. These F550s, the newer ones, do have a cabin filter, so always be sure to check these on your services if you got fleets or whatever. It's good practice to check these out because they're almost always pretty dirty, especially on some of the ones we see that these guys running pretty hard. So as you can see, some dirt's coming off that one. So we changed that thing for good measure. For lunch is some baked ziti down the hatch, baby. My wife made that. As stuff was bomb. Waiting on someone to come in off the road, so I had a little time to clean up my toolbox and clean some tools. And then what do we have? A fifth wheel that needed to be pulled back. Of course, every single nut and bolt came off like smooth butter. Not really. I had to torch a bunch of stuff off, so I got all new hardware. Ended the day with another Ford pickup truck DOT inspection. I found the oil pan leaking pretty good there, dripping off quite a few spots, so I wrote it up. It also had check engine light, so I wrote that up. We'll see what they want to do there. Well, just got home. Another Thursday down. Some days I just don't know what I'm getting into. It's one of the things I like about the job. Sometimes you kind of know what you're going to be doing the next day. Some days you go in blind and you don't know till you go up and get your first ticket. So one of the things I enjoy about it, working on something different every day pretty much, unless you get into a big job and you got a few days into certain things, but you don't know what the next job is. So I like it. I enjoy it. So what now? Day in the life. Food, dinner, and then tumbling, and then homework. We got to study spelling and got some math to do. So dad life. Thanks, guys, for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys are working on lately. Any fun jobs, anything interesting. I am always interested in hearing. I enjoy seeing what other people are working on. So let me know. And let me know what you think about this video. If you want to see more like this, like I've said, I don't really want to be doing any filming so much in the shop anymore, but little tidbits here and there and walk you through days, I don't think is too bad. Some of you find it interesting. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and if you guys like it, I'll keep trying to do stuff like this. So I will see you guys in the next one.